guys, today I'm gonna review this amazing running board lights that I got. It comes two of those, two strips, 60 inches each, so it's long enough, and it comes with everything you need to install. It comes with the cable to connect your car, and it comes with two different cables to connect to the different strips, and you just need to clean the area first. Maybe if you have a truck, the middle bar under the door. You need take this plastic and glue to the thing, so, and connect to the wires, and that's it. Super easy. It's two lights, is red and white. It's great if you have if you a fireman, or if you have a nice truck, and it's great for emergencies. And here is on and off, and it comes with a lot of different molds, and here you just need to press to switch the modes, and that's it. It comes also with this to attach to the wires, and so you can put everything nice inside, and that's it. It's a great product. I recommend it. I hope you guys like it. Bye.